Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe and may be excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 10, and the chapter name is My Neighborhood. Now before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home, enjoy your quality time with your family members and with your dear ones. Please don't go outside. We all know that we are in very pandemic disease and virus like COVID-19. So it's better that we can we can be home, stay happy at home. Now, before starting the chapter, I think you have learned my neighborhood through the violins, because before the vacation I just used to teach you SST through violins, and so I think so I'm here again to teach you, and I'm just going to read the book and I will explain you line by line, sentence by sentence. So please you just listen carefully and please attend your online classes. I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Now whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly, and please be careful at home. Don't go outside. If any emergency cases are there, then you just go outside. In fact, don't talk with a stranger and don't touch the other person also. Don't shake hand also. It's just take a distance between that all the peoples, and please don't go outside. And I hope that you guys had purchased your book. If you don't purchased your book, then please purchase it as soon as possible, and I'm reading, you also read with me. Now whatever the chapter till 9 I have explained you in the online classes, and I hope that you guys had understood the chapter and you all just completing your all homework in your SST fair copy. If you don't, then please complete down right now from today, because you have to complete it in your fair copy. So once the school will open, and if I will ask you the homework, because I have all the details and you have to show me all the homeworks. And please whatever because before the vacation I just used to teach you English also, so English work also you have to complete down in your fair copy, and your all SST also you have to complete down in your copy. It should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting. So I hope that you understood. So let's start the chapter. Now here we go. I am reading, you also read with me. Now, what is neighborhood? First question is there, because it's the chapter that my neighborhood. Then the first question is like that what is a neighborhood? What is neighborhood? Then the answer is what? The area around our houses. The area around our house. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. Is called our neighborhood. Next, people who live near our house or in the neighborhood are called our neighbors. So please take out your pencil, one pencil, and please you can underline from the first line that what is neighborhood and what is neighbors. So if somebody asks you that what is neighborhood, then you will tell the answer. Here it is in your first line only. The area, you can underline from here, the area. So underline from here, the area around our house is called our neighborhood. Is called our neighborhood. So once anyone will ask you that what is neighborhood, then you will tell the answer, the area around our house is called our neighborhood. Next line also you underline that what is neighbors. So if somebody will ask that what is neighbors, or if I will ask that whenever school will open, if I will ask, go through the chapter and I will ask the question that what is neighbors, then you will say what? People who live near. People who live near our house, our house, or in the neighborhood, or in the neighborhood are called our neighbors, are called our neighbors. So I am repeating from where you have to underline. Please match it. You have to underline from the first line the area, then the area around our house is called our neighborhood. Again I am repeating, the area around our house is called our neighborhood. Neighborhood. Next line also, the people who live near our house or in the neighborhood are called our neighbors, are called our neighbors. We should be friendly to our neighbors, means we should always kind to our neighbors, always help them and always be happy. In fact, always just take care when they need our helps. So we should what? We should always friendly, and because if suppose if we have some emergency and our family members lives very far away, like in another states and these all cities, so first of all who will help? Not they will come and they will help. First our neighbor will help, because they live what? They live near our house. So what? Always, that's why we should always be friendly with our neighbors. Don't be rude and don't be fight with the neighbors, because when emergencies case are there, when we need, then the neighbors are the first one who help us in any bad situation. So what? We should always friendly. We should always friendly to our neighborhood. Now, if you have the book, then you can see the picture, page number 43. Here is what? A neighborhood has many useful places. So, I'm just going to explain you the picture. So, please you can listen carefully. First of all is what? A neighborhood has many useful things. Yes, it's true that in our neighborhood we have lots of useful things and it helps us also. So you can see that there can be a many places in a neighborhood, in a good neighborhood, such as like if you are a very good neighbors and you have what, you are living in very good areas and very safe areas, then these all the areas, what, this is the places that you can find out in your neighborhood. So which is the place? You can see the first of all in picture, hospital, then you can see the school also, then park, then bank, then market, then milk booth. So these all the areas, it is in your neighborhood, and these all is very important. These all neighborhood places, what, it's very important. So why it's important, just go and then we can see. Like suppose suppose a grocery shops is there in your neighborhood, then what, we get food items from from the grocery shops. And in fact, if we want to buy some daily useful articles, then we can go to the grocery shops and then we can buy it. So suppose that we had to a very far area and we need some milk, bread or eggs every day. Suppose what would it be like? What would it be like if we had to go to a far off area to get milk, bread and eggs every day? Or suppose like if you had to go to a doctor and you lived very far away, and you have, every time we fall ill, then on that time what you will do? So for that we need these all neighborhood areas, like for grocery shops, hospitals. So suppose if at a time suppose we feel ill, then if near our neighborhoods is good, if near we can find a chemist shop or grocery shops, then within a seconds within a minute we can go there and we can buy from the things what we need. So that's why a good neighbor is what, a good neighbor has always this such a places. Now next I will explain you in the next videos, so please guys watch the next videos and please stay at home, because nowadays the COVID-19 it's just increasing, it's not decreasing. So it's better that you can enjoy the online classes as well as you can enjoy the time with your family members. Thank you and have a nice day.